Hello guys, today I'll be teaching the installation procedure for Macs and for Mac users. So first of all, you're going to want to go to the doc that's linked in the description. And so the first thing we're going to want to do today is we're going to check our Java. So we're going to load it up, and like I have a missing plugin, so if you have the same thing, you want to make sure you download that plugin. That means that you don't have the proper version. So just go ahead, download it, and wait for it to finish. And then while we're waiting, we can go and check out the next thing we need to do. We need to download the Java Development Kit. So I'm going to wait a second. It's still going through the procedure of verifying our installation. Double click the DMG, wait for it to finish, open the package, continue, type in your password if you have one, and then close it. And then now you know it's verified, so trust and just detecting the job on your computer. You want to run, and then congratulations, you're done with that. Okay, so that's step one, we're done. Okay, so now when you go to step two, install JDK. So open up the link, and then you're going to want to find your software. So we're Mac OS X. So we're going to download the DMG. Make sure you click the accept button on the top, and then it's just going to take a little bit of while to download. So in the meantime, why don't we read the instructions ahead? And so in the meantime, we'll go and download the Atom. So we're going to go there, download. Pretty self-explanatory. You can check out the website if you wish to. Wait for them to install, and then now we're going to go install GitHub. So you're going to have to make a username. So I'm just going to put my first and last name, and put your email and password, and then sign up for GitHub. So you can choose save or no. You want the free version. If you want to subscribe, go for it. Okay, so now you're at the main home page for GitHub. Just gonna wait a second here, check on our downloads, and so let's see. Let's go and open up Atom. So it's verifying, open. It's gonna take a second to open up. We know it works, so alright, cool. We can close and quit out of this program. So now while we wait for GitHub to install, we can download another software. So first of all, actually, once you've made the GitHub account, you need to go back and you need to actually download GitHub. So what you're going to do is download, actually no, that's not the right place. You have to go back, and there's just a link there. Yeah, that's easier. Just follow the link and just download GitHub for Mac. Go open up. It's going to take time to download the DMG. So wait a little bit, or let's just move on to downloading Eclipse. So you're going to open up the link, find your software, and you're going to want to go with the 64-bit. So let's click on that, start that download, and while that goes, we're going to click, and we're just going to wait. So we're going to get the first one, not the mirror, and don't click on any of the other subscribe options under, and wait for them to just start downloading. So now we're going to go on to the GIMP page, and we're going to download GIMP for the computer. So let's open it up, go to the download, find the proper one, click on it. It's going to lead to an untitled page, and you just wait, go here, and so this is an indirect file download. So then it should just basically open up, let it install, and then now we're going to go to the Android Studio page and go download that. Make sure you have the proper requirements for Mac OS X. Go down, go to all studio packages and get the Mac one, agree. Basic simple stuff, just let it install. In the meantime, let's go check out GitHub. Open the application, sign in, usual stuff. Sign in, put your email again. Continue, done with that, we can quit out of that. Sweet, okay, next. Now what we gotta do? We gotta do JDK. Okay, so we're gonna continue, put in our password, let it install. Alright, now that's done. Now we're gonna move on to getting Eclipse. Find the folder, find the file, find the application for Eclipse. Basically put in password, let it install, let it open. By the way, if you're having any issues, it's probably due to because the computer privacy might not be allowing it to open unidentified applications, so you're going to have to verify that. Then now we're going to go open up GIMP. That's going to take a bit of time to open up. What I meant by when I was explaining that unidentified, it's you're going to have to go to System Preferences, Privacy, and then unlock it, and then click Open Anyways. It's towards the bottom, you'll see it when you do it. It's so that way the computer, like allows unrecognized applications such as Eclipse to be opened. So just a extra security precaution that Apple has. So now I'm up with Android Studio. Drag it into applications. Let it take that time that it needs to. And then copy, and then
What?
and then so after we get out of GIMP, that's done. I just open up Android, what's it called again? Android Studio, yeah. And then we're just gonna find it in applications, pop it open, and then we're gonna give it a little bit of time so it installs. There's a bit. We want to click on I do not because you do not have the previous version of Android Studio. If you do, then you do click that you do have it. But I'm assuming most of you don't because this is probably your first time coding. Go through on the very top. You have to click agree here, and then on the top button you have to click twice. So it's in the instructions, but on the top button, right there, you have to click twice. Go to the bottom, then agree. And then this is the time where it takes about 5 minutes. I've sped it up because it's just a bunch of waiting. And so then basically it'll finish, and then you should be all ready with installations and be ready to code. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.